Hi everybody, or should I say Hyyva paiva, Suomi, Hyyva paiva everybody. Ja sam Georgia, and in this video I wanted to give my comments and my reaction to the Finnish song for Eurovision 2023 called Cha Cha Cha, performed by Käärijä. I don't know if I said it right, probably not, but I don't speak the language, so forgive me. I figured I could wear something green as well to match the music video vibes. So I'm gonna play the song now in the video and give my reaction to it. Okay, the voice is interesting and it's different, it's unique, and I think it's gonna stand out absolutely. And I like that it's in Suomi. There's a lot of potential for the stage performance with the box ring and everything. If they bring it to Liverpool, I think it's gonna stand out absolutely. Okay, everybody's gonna be singing to this Cha 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 Cha. Okay, this has a really cool sound. It has a cool sound, but I think I'm not sure how people are going to react to it. I think it's going to be either people loving it and voting for it massively, or people be like, what the heck is going on? Like, we don't get it. Okay, so at the same time, I'm getting constructive vibes, like different, unique, people loving it, voting enough for it, and it going top 5. Or Portugal 2019, staying in the semi-final. I think it's going to be either one of the two. So it's going to be top 5 in the final, or it's going to stay in the semi-final. I don't think there's going to be anything in between. But I like it. It's catchy. It's catchy and it's crazy and it's cool. It has a lot of ingredients, all in these 3 minutes. I think the crowd is going to love it. The crowd in the arena in Liverpool is going to go crazy with this, and I think it could be a viral song of the competition before the competition. Okay, we have a change now in the rhythm and the melody. So when you think it's going to be 3 minutes of the same sound, he changes it, and I like that he changes it because it keeps you listening to the song, and you don't lose interest in any second of the song or the video. Yeah, I think I'm more on the train that it's gonna be very, very high in the televote. I think people are gonna be voting for this massively in the semi-final and in the final. I think the crowd in the arena is gonna be dancing to this from the first moment until the last. So I think the viewers of Eurovision, when they see this, they hear the song, they like it, and when they see the arena going wild for this, I think it gives you an extra impression and it makes you want to vote for it and you like the song better, even more. Yeah, I think people are going to go crazy for it. People are going to love this, absolutely. I gotta say, it's absolutely unique. I don't know who Käärijä is. I don't know his previous work or anything, but I feel he's true to his usual style, and I think you can feel it. You know, when somebody's doing something that is true to themselves, you can notice it, and I think I can see it here with him. So I think it's going to be transmitted to the audience all over Europe and outside Europe as well, because the rest of the world is voting as well. Australia is participating. So yeah, I think it's going to do quite well. As I said, I think it's going to be either top 5 or semi-final, non-qualification, but I think it's going to be on the left side of the scoreboard, absolutely, and probably in the top 5. I think I can see this going very, very high with the televote. And the jury, I don't know if they're going to go for the originality and authenticity and all that Cha 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 contains, but I think it's going to have enough jury support to make it to the top 10 of Eurovision 2023. Now all that's left is to see what they have planned for the Liverpool stage. So, but at this moment, I think Finland made a really good choice. I think Finland is going straight to the final once again and going back to top 10. So maybe even win, who knows? You know, the last time that Finland won, we know what happened when Finland won, so I have no issues with that. If the history is going to repeat itself in Helsinki next year, I'm all up for it. And once again, thank you for the 12 points from Molitva, Finland. We really appreciate it. We still love you for it. So thank you so much for watching the video. Let me know what you think of Käärijä and Cha Cha Cha. Do you think he's going to do well? What do you think he's going to do? Is he going to stay in the semi-final? Is he going to win? Is he going to be top 5? What are your predictions? Let me know in the comments below. Let's discuss. And what can I say? Good luck, Suomi. Good luck, Finland. Hopefully see you in the final. We're both in the first semi-final, Serbia and Finland. Hope we both make it through. Let's see what we select first. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Good luck and see you in the next video. Bye. Ciao.